The Block Integrated Development Complex of Khatashnong Latkro C&RD Block was officially inaugurated by the Sirdar of Ilaka Latkro, Pailastar Kharkongor. The new facility was described as a step forward in improving services for the residents of the area. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma stated that the government had been operating in mission mode to upgrade block offices across the state with the objective of enhancing public service delivery. He further encouraged administrative teams to adopt a renewed spirit of commitment as part of the collective pursuit of inclusive development and progress.
Sure? Maybe I'll just yeah, but then I'll have to. The C&RD department has been doing wonders, I should say, where all the flagship programs and schemes, we have seen exponential growth in almost all the major schemes that are being implemented by the C&RD department. Apart from that, we realized that the block offices in most of the blocks were not in a good condition. So therefore, we have decided to start with the block offices, and in all the 46 blocks and the new 10 blocks, new buildings have been sanctioned. After this, we will also be further going and creating the staff quarters or repairing or maintaining and providing different facilities. The third step will be to provide boundary walls, and the fourth step will be to have multi-purpose hall in all the block offices. So we are doing it in a phase-wise manner. As you all will recall that most of the block offices have been left in a dilapidated condition for the last 30 years, and not much was done at a large scale. It is only during the time of the MDA government that we have decided to give new block offices to the blocks. In almost every police thana also you will see now repair and maintenance is going on. All the civil subdivisions also have been given new buildings, repairs have been done. Places where there were no DC offices have been given. So overall administration has been strengthened at every level, and today is another example and testimony of this commitment of our government to ensure that we strengthen the administrative setup and ensure that better service is given to the public at the grassroots levels.